gonna get him. Look at that. He's running closer.
Cute. Oh, yeah, boy. He smashed him. He smashed.
Oh!
Yeah. That was so cool, Tyson. That was so cool. Oh.
Turn the light on real fast.
You want to see how fat his stomach is?
Alright, here, I want to turn this light on so they can see what he is.
Damn, dude, I've been leaving my light on too long. Look at all the fucking algae in there.
That it?
So that's why all the algae is. I left my light on too long. He might try to eat him. Hold on. He can't do it. He couldn't do it. He wanted to.
He was like, oh.
He wanted too bad, dude. You seen that? He still might try. Watch. He's still gonna try. If he eats him, he's not gonna move for like 3 days. Watch. He's gonna do it, dude. He's gonna try.
Dude, that was fucking cool.